एक दुख की बात है मुझे कि इंडियन आर्मी में पहला मैं हूं और एक ही मैं हूं फ्रॉम अरुणाचल प्रदेश।
It was in the year 2019 in September when Ponun Doming from Pasighat made history by becoming the first female lieutenant colonel from Arunachal Pradesh. Doming was promoted to the honored rank from her earlier position as a major. She reached the position in just 4.5 years since being commissioned into the Indian Army in 2008. Lieutenant Colonel Doming was born to Olom Doming and Jimmy Dai Doming. She is the eldest of 4 siblings. Miss Doming passed her high school from the Government Higher Secondary School in Pasighat and later joined the Walchand College of Engineering in Maharashtra, where she earned her civil engineering degree in 2005. After which she went on to work for Larsen & Toubro in Kolkata for about 2 years, while also preparing for the Services Selection Board to join the Indian Armed Forces. Keen to apply and determined to make it, Doming left no stone unturned preparing for the exams. Her hard work finally paid off, and in 2008, she successfully entered the Indian Army, joining the Officers Training Academy in Chennai. Doming continued to give her best, and in 2014, after rigorous selection, she was chosen to be part of the United Nations peacekeeping mission at the Democratic Republic of Congo representing India, where she stayed for a period of about 6 months. It is to be mentioned that as per recent figures, the Indian Army has over 1,600 women officers, serving out of a total of almost 43,000 officers. Following the landmark verdict by the Supreme Court that allows eligible women officers to be inducted as permanent commission officers is surely motivating young girls and women across the country to consider entering the armed forces. Lieutenant Colonel Ponun Doming, who is very down to earth by nature, is not only an inspiration for many young girls and women in Arunachal Pradesh, but also across the country who want to enter the armed forces and do what they can for their motherland.